Alright YouTube, so this is the Amazon basic speakerware that I've shown you before, and this is the roll which is empty now because I have connected the wires to my front speakers, left, right and center. Here it is, the left one. You can see this is the wire, and this one's thickness is 1.3 mm, and the center speaker here, you can see this is the wire, and also the right one, here it is. One is for the center and other one is for this front right speaker. The center speaker wire go through here behind this box up there and to the center speaker. So that's it. And after using this new speaker wire, here I found some difference in the sound. So let's hear it by yourself, and then I'm gonna tell you a bit more about that.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. First champion, I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is.
Alright, so I have turned off the surround speakers, so now there's only 3 speakers are gonna play the sounds. So now you can hear how good it is. So let's play.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Chase leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright guys, so you have heard the sound, and let me tell you that if I compare to the sound I was hearing before I changed the wire, so now the highs is increased a bit, and also the bass, yeah, the bass is a bit more coming from these two left and right speakers, front speakers, and as you just heard now, that at very loud volume the sound is pretty clear, and no distortion in that, so it's a good thing. And if you want me to say about this speakerware, so this is a very good deal from Amazon, and it's just costs only $8.39 I think for a 100-feet speakerware, and so yeah, that's a good deal, and it's a thumbs up. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.